What's good, YouTube? So quick video. I don't think there's one out there, and if there is, well, here's another one. So I have my Can-Am cooler, and I'm gonna be putting it on the market to sell. I don't plan on using it anymore because I got other plans, but when I took it off, I realized that one of these was broken. It still held on, but I don't want to sell it to someone when it's broken like that. So they do sell these LinQ replacements. They're about $30-something for a pair, and the ones I got are black now. So this is the replacement, and in order to replace this, you have to undo the bolts from the bottom here, take the whole brace, which will then look like this, and then it allows you to remove that nut there, because otherwise it won't hold. You need something to hold that nut right there. So then this will go here. Probably can't do it with one hand. Let's see. Put that there. I can't get it. I just have to tighten them up. And then these just go attached on this side. And you want to place them similar to what they were when you took them off. And it's 2 bolts. I don't know the exact measurement. So the bottom bolts are T30s. And let's see what these little ones are. And my tool doesn't say that one. But for sure the bottom ones are T30s. 2 bolts, pop them off. Then it allows you to remove those 2 bolts on this side. I think I ordered them on Amazon Prime just so I can get a quick delivery. I'll post the link on there and then the part number for you guys. I wasn't sure these were the ones, but they fit perfect. They are a little different style, and actually the ones I bought feel a lot more heavyweight. Alright, so I'm all done with the installation. It's pretty simple. I didn't feel like I needed to record, but that's what they look like installed. They are black, whereas these were not colored. And I was only gonna do the broken one, but I didn't like that it wasn't gonna match, so I prefer for it to match. And then these are the ones I bought, and I'm sure it has a part number here. I'll post it on the description as well for you guys. I believe I bought these on Amazon just because of the quick delivery. I have Amazon Prime. But yeah, BRP brand. I'm sure these LinQ adapters work with other products that BRP has. It didn't specify that it would fit with these, but they do. So I'll put it on the X3 and make sure it shuts. And just so you know, there is adjustments here. So if you put it on the X3 and it's not fitting correctly, you can adjust here, and you can also adjust these hooks down here. So let's go ahead and put it on. I sat it on there. It fit perfect. Now we just have to lock it in place. This one actually clips on. You heard that snap? There. The other ones didn't do that. So now I just have to clean it up, post it up on Marketplace, get some money back on it. But yeah, so stay tuned. Bed delete coming soon, probably. A few little upgrades before Glam is. in a few weeks.